Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, this is on a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This thing is a beauty. They only make a few of this type of vehicle, the Type R. Basically, this is before what we did. We added the shock sensor add-on with the door bypass, so somebody doesn't bust out the keyhole and shut off the factory alarm. And we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm as well. He didn't want to carry an extra remote control. He wanted everything nice and clean on the key fob. This thing has got these beautiful calibers. Definitely it will be a major target for ring theft. Before the shock sensor install, this is what will happen. You can bang on the tire, nothing will happen. You can bang on the window, nothing will happen. And if you bang on the keyhole, nothing will happen. We're gonna get ready to do the installation on the shock sensor, and then we'll test it out. And by the way, what they do to these vehicles, they stick a socket. There's a kit they sell that you get it online. You say you had a lug nut lock, it's a socket, and then you hammer it in by pressure and you retract it out. The more you put on the tire, it's not going to stop them, but it will delay them. And my kit will love you because it's going to detect a lot of impact to it towards the getting these lug nut locks out, and the alarm is going to fire off because my shock sensor kit will pick up that impact. We're going to get ready to do the install, and we'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and hit the rim. The alarm will fire off. Couldn't hit it hard. This thing is a little sharp. Oof, that hurt. But anyway, yeah, any banging towards the vehicle, it will fire off. When the car falls on the bricks, it will definitely fire off the alarm. I'm going to show you guys the windows. This thing protects the whole car from bumper to bumper. We also did the bypass on the door, like I was saying. So if somebody busts out that keyhole, it will not shut off the factory alarm this time. Factory alarms have a little delay when you arm it. It take about 35 seconds before you're actually able to open the door or bang on the window after the shock sensor upgrade was done in order for it to fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll go ahead and bang on the keyhole, I guess. We'll take care of that. We'll get this one out of the way. And we'll go ahead and bang in the window as well. Some people, sometimes we get emails, people asking us, does this thing, does the kit stop anything from working on the vehicle? Negative. Everything will continue working. You're still able to unlock the door and, in fact, relock it. Okay, nothing stops working. Everything continues in the operating as normal. And if you have a Honda Accord, the remote start will still work. At least my kits. I don't know about anybody else's stuff, but as long as our kits are concerned, nothing. Everything continues working in the car. As far as the keyless to go and the remote start and everything in these Hondas. Give it a little bit longer, and then I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass, and that will be the final test of this vehicle. See, we got a train going on top, and it doesn't set off the alarm, which is good news. The shock sensor knows the difference between a banging and any other vibration around the neighborhood. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass now. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.